Hello everybody! I went to my favorite grocery store and I picked up 5 things. This is so simple, it's gonna blow your mind. So, first, pork loin. We've got some baby broccoli and some cauliflower. Okay, half a cauliflower. I use the rest for something else. Olive oil. And this thing, chili lime spice mix. That stuff is awesome. That's all that goes in there with some salt and pepper. I'm not kidding. It's so simple, it's gonna blow your mind. And of course, the cast iron pot, my favorite piece of kitchen equipment, which I even kind of cleaned for the occasion. So when I buy packaged meat, I like to unwrap it and rinse it off and then dry it with some paper towels, but you can totally skip this step. Pork. Wow, this is cheap. Awesome. Here it goes, I'm rinsing it off. Wash your hands. Hey, wash your hands anyway, you know what I'm saying? And so then the spice mix goes on. A little splishy, a little splashy. Do both sides. I've got some olive oil getting hot in the cast iron pan. In the oil it goes. Now we've been touching pork. So what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, there's a little bit left of the spice mix in there. Throw it on. And then wash your hands. Hey, I'm not kidding, really. Wash your hands. There we go. Okay. So the outer edge, let's put some more of that spice mix. Woo! Yeah, this is good stuff. I almost dropped it. Klutz. While the pork loin is browning, let's cut up some vegetables. I used to work with this chef. He used to call vegetables vegetables. It was from Switzerland. I don't know if that's how they say. Right. Anyway, vegetables. Sometimes I say vegetables. So for cauliflower, once you cut off the core, cut it out, I guess. Yeah, get it out of there. Then you just slice off the little florets. Easy. Or be careful with your knives. You know what to do. Nice. I'm gonna turn over this thing. See, this is what we want. We want it nice and brown. Yeah, beautiful. And then in the oven it goes. Whoa! I've got an oven cam. Don't put your iPhone in a hot oven, by the way. Alright, 15 minutes. And then we can keep prepping our vegetables. So I like baby broccoli because the florets are they're actually thicker, but the stems are thinner, so it all cooks together. And the stems are definitely edible. I'm taking out the little leaves, which are not super great. Try one. Yeah, maybe not. Tastes really healthy. Alright. I guess we'll leave the leaves out. Got some leftover potatoes, fingerlings. I'm throwing those in there. Yeah. These are the teeny tiny potatoes. You leave them whole. Mix that up with some olive oil, salt and pepper. The cauliflower and the potatoes will go in at the same time. They take longer to cook than the little baby broccoli, so out comes the pork loin. Flip it one time. Oh yeah. That's right. And then with the cauliflower and the teeny tiny fingerling potatoes. We're gonna put the broccoli in that bowl because we'll be mixing that with olive oil and salt and pepper before it goes in. And here we go, that's another 15 minutes. See, I haven't wrote it down. Time for some rosé. Guess where this rosé comes from? That's right, Trader Joe's. I don't even care if it's in a box, it's delicious. I keep it in my fridge. Alright, 15 minutes done. Aperitif done. Out comes everything. So just a little drizzle of olive oil on the broccoli, some salt and pepper. Give the vegetables a little flippity floppity. Just like that. And the broccoli goes on top. So it kind of steams. It doesn't need to be on the bottom of the pan at all. It requires a very light touch. You know, while I'm at it, I'm gonna give the pork loin a little flippity floppity as well. Turn around. Yeah, on the side, why not? Get everything nice and brown. "15 minutes, that's it, and now it's done." So now the vegetables are done. I put the pork to rest on my cutting board with some foil on top for about 5 minutes. And then you can slice it. Check out this plating technique. So smooth. Zip. Little broccoli there, little cauliflower, couple potatoes, and then I use the roasting pan juices. Drizzle that on top of the pork. Oh yeah, that's exactly right. Great thing about this dish too is you can make it in advance and you keep it in the oven at 225. If you need to delay eating a little bit, it's gonna be great. Check this out. Here, I priced it out for you. $3.88 per person. That's it. See you next time.